In the area you live in, you can notice a number of government and non-governmental institutions that assist in the satisfaction of public and official needs of the people. Let us study the services of a selected few of them. Divisional Secretariat. All the services rendered by the government for the public living in the respective area can be obtained from this institution. Several examples of these are given below. Issue of birth certificates, approval of Grama Seva certificates, issue of licenses such as felling of trees, transport, income licenses, state land licenses, and environment permits. Provision of relief, implementation of relevant activities regarding payment of pensions, and issue of identity cards. Local government institutions, municipal councils. An extremely complex urban region is known as the municipality. There are several such regions in our country. Examples of these are Colombo, Kandy, Jaffna, Kurunegala, Nuwara Elia, and Dehiwala Matlavinia. The head of a municipal council is the mayor. Given below are a few services rendered by the municipal council. Cleaning and maintenance of streets, reconstruction of waterways and removal of garbage, maintenance of the markets and public health, maintenance of playgrounds, libraries and parks, construction and maintenance of public amenities, and maintenance of street lights. Urbanized regions which are less in population and complexity are called urban councils. The head of each urban council is a chairman. Given below are a few of the services provided by the urban council. Provision of public health services, maintenance of libraries, sports grounds, parks, public toilets, and so on. Systematization of water supply and drainage, control and maintenance of streets and public buildings. Village councils. Semi-urban areas and rural areas that do not come under urban councils belong to village councils. Given below are a few of the numerous services rendered by the village councils. Construction and maintenance of roadways in one's region of operations. Improvement and implementation of bathing ferries and trade centers. Disposal of garbage and cleaning of streets and roads in the area. Approval of building construction. Maintenance of social welfare activities. Hospitals. The hospital is the main institution that provides its services 24 hours of the day for the provision of the health of the public. Doctors, nurses, as well as the entire staff of the hospital provide an efficient service in order to provide relief when one is struck by disease or has been the victim of an accident. Government hospitals provide all these services to the public free of charge. The government allocates a large amount of money for providing these services. Services rendered by places of religious worship. People of various ethnic groups live in Sri Lanka. As such, there are different places of religious worship in our neighborhood. It is a pleasure to hear the Pirith chanting from one side of the country while hearing the echoing sound of the Holy Quran from another side. Same as we hear the choirs from the church and the jingling bells from the Kovil nearby. This is religious coexistence and the identity of our country, Sri Lanka. Services provided by places of religious worship include providing knowledge of the Dhamma, disciplining by teaching ethics, conducting religious rituals, services, offerings, blessing in order to make personal life successful, helping to cultivate spiritual values, providing leadership at weddings and bereavements, providing leadership in public activities, taking the lead regarding national needs, and providing advice and blessings. Lending society, youth society, Buddhist society, environment societies, societies in the region, sports societies, funeral societies, fishers society, cooperative society, farmer organization, rural development societies.